Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing this Shure MV88. It's a plug-and-play iPhone, iPad, iPod microphone. So it plugs into the lightning port and gonna upgrade the YouTube channels. So here's the package. It's been over a year I've been unboxing on this YouTube channel and gonna take it next level with some higher quality gear. So thank you to all 300 plus of you for subscribing, and I'm gonna have new ideas, new channels coming out. So got to get the cooler, more intense hardware, you know, and this is one that I'm excited for. Let me see, do I have to peel it here? Really excited with the ease of use of this one, so excited to use this. All right, here we go. Excuse me. Limited warranty, nothing too exciting there. Don't think we need to go through this because it's just plug and play. All right, so we have some accessories, but firmware version 1.0.3.0. Hopefully that's pretty new, but there's an app to use on your phone to get this guy set up. All right, let me get to the goods. What is this? What is this? Oh, there's a excuse me again. Oh, this is a really cool case. I'm impressed. This is a really cool case for this device. Hard, it's pretty hard. It's firm. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's a little wind. Oh, that's neat. So set this aside. A little wind. How do you, what's this called? Like a wind. Blocks out all the wind from. Whoa, how do you, don't want to break it, but how do you take this off? It's interesting because it looks the same, but it has a little wind ball. Don't remember the exact name, but you guys all get the point here. I'll leave it on because that's pretty cool, but let's see. It turns, which I like. So it turns this way, bends, and this is the lightning. So let me show you all what it looks like. So here's a iPhone 13 Pro. Just plug it in like so, and boom. You now have awesome, better, way better microphone than the iPhone comes with. So there you have it, Shure MV88. Hope you're all doing well, and yeah, be on the lookout for better microphone, better audio quality on these videos, and more hot new YouTube channel ideas. I got a lot coming, so let's go. All right, see you all next time. Bye.